Namaste to all. Hello everyone. Myself Ramesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of ATM, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Okay. So our subject is object-oriented programming language, and today our topic is copy constructor. So in previous lecture we have discussed about constructor, what is constructor, what are the use of constructor, how we declare constructor, how we can define constructor, okay, how many types of constructor. So we will understand in constructor we have already discussed about constructor. Constructor is a special member function which has the same name that of the class. Means class name and member function name will be same, then it will be constructor. Then what? Constructor initializes the object, require memory, occupy memory. In reverse, constructor reverse of constructor is destructor. Constructor means construct, to something construct, and destructor means destruct, destroy. So constructor initialize and occupy the memory, destructor deinitialize the memory and deinitialize the object and free the memory. Anyway, today we will discuss about copy constructor. Copy means what? Copy means what? Copy means to copy, having any things and make a copy of another. Copy constructor is a member function which initializes an object using another object in the same class. Okay, copy constructor is a member function which initializes an object using another object. This is the important point. Initializes an object using another object. With the help of another object of the same class, you can initialize. Okay. The copy constructor has the following general function prototype. Syntax, class name. What will be class name? Because it is constructor. So class name, and this is the class name old object. You may pass whatever you want the class name object 1 or object 2 you have in whatever you like. Include IO stream using namespace. This is the syntax. This is the header file using namespace standard. Class point, here the name of the class is point. Here this is what? This is the private curly braces, private x y. So here data member is what? Private. And the function name, that is the constructor, is point int x1, int y1. Here x is equal to x1 and y equal to y1. Here what? This is the copy constructor. Okay. Point, constant point, ampersand p2 in x equal to pt dot x and y equal to p2 dot y. In get x, where you have value will be returned of the x, whatever you put in this parameter x1, whatever you put the value of x1, the return will get x, return x, in get y, whatever you put in the functions, that is a constructor, that will return y. Okay. Int main, point p1 10 comma 15, normal constructor is called here. Point p2 equal to p1, copy constructor is called here. Let us access value assigned by constructor cout p1 dot x equal to double inverted comma p1 dot get p1 similarly extraction operator, so double inverted comma p1 dot y double inverted equal to double inverted comma extraction operator p1 dot get y. This will display your value whatever you put the value of x or x. So p1 dot x equal to 10, p1 dot y equal to 10, p2 dot x equal to 10. This is the output. And now we discuss friend function. You know friend is nothing. People understand clearly what friend means. What friend means? What? Suppose two person having friend. One person having belongs a private things, and third person want to access of the. ऐसे मानते हैं कि राहुल राकेश दो मित्र हैं. राहुल का कोई प्राइवेट चीज है या नहीं है, राहुल का कोई प्राइवेट चीज है, तो अगर राकेश उस राहुल का प्राइवेट चीज को यूज में लेना चाहता है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राकेश ने फ्रेंड विद राहुल. क्या करना पड़ेगा? राकेश को राहुल के साथ मित्रता बनानी पड़ेगी तो उसका प्राइवेट चीज को यूज में ले सकता है. सेम थिंग है फ्रेंड फंक्शन. फ्रेंड फ्रॉम क्लास ए फ्रेंड क्लास कैन एक्सेस प्राइवेट and protected members of other class in which it is declared as friend. Very important. A friend class can access private. Friend class can access कर सकता है, यूज में ले सकता है, and protected members of the other class, दूसरे class को in which it is declared as friend. It is sometimes useful to allow a particular class. या कभी-कभी particular class को अलाउ करता है इतना टू एक्सेस प्राइवेट मेंबर ऑफ अदर क्लास. दूसरे प्राइवेट मेंबर के डेटा को समटाइम्स कभी-कभी अलाउ करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए लिंक मे बी अलाउ टू एक्सेस प्राइवेट मेंबर्स ऑफ कम्युनिटी. क्लास नोड वेयर प्राइवेट इन पी वाई नोड. ओके, नोड एक्सट्रैक्ट नोड नेक्स्ट वेयर इन P is a private data member. So here in P is a private data member. You can access in P by with the help of using the keyword friend function. Okay. Friend function, like friend class. The friend function can be given a special grant to access private. मैंने पहले ही बोला कि आपको राहुल राकेश दो हैं, तो अगर राहुल के प्राइवेट चीज़ को अगर एक्सेस करना चाहता है, यूज लेना चाहता है, ठीक है ना, तो इसके साथ राकेश को मित्रता बनानी पड़ेगी, दोस्ती बनानी पड़ेगी एंड प्रोटेक्टेड मेंबर. तो फ्रेंड फंक्शन कैन बी ए मेथड ऑफ अनदर क्लास. एक मेथड हो सकता है दूसरे क्लास का, एक ग्लोबल फंक्शन हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल क्लास नोड प्राइवेट ई नोड नेक्स्ट other members of node class. Okay, friend in linked list of scope is not होता. Search comment only search function of linked list can access internal members. Following are some important points about friend function. Friend should be used only for linked list purpose. Too many functions or external classes are declared as friend of class with protected or private data. It lessens the value of the encapsulation of specific classes in object-oriented programming. Friendship is not mutual. If class A is friend of B, अगर A क्लास का दोस्त क्लास B है, then B does not become friend of A automatically. तो B का दोस्त भी ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं होगा. फ्रेंडशिप इज नॉट इनहेरिटेड. द कंसेप्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स इज नॉट क्लियर इन जावा और जावा में पेरेंट्स का पेरेंट्स फंक्शन का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है। ओके, here we will see a simple and complete C++ program to demonstrate friend class. Here the class name is A and here the function name is also A. So friend class B, we are making it class B using the word friend. So class B, here the private data of the class A can be used using the class B. Private int B, public void show A ampersand A. Since B is friend of A, it can access private member of A. std scope resolution operator cout A, scope resolution operator A, and it will display the value of A using x.A. Okay, so curly braces close and semicolon int name A equal to A, B equal to B, B dot show A return 0, and this will display the value. So thank you everyone. I think you did clear the concept and like my videos. So comment, suggest and subscribe my video more and more. खुश रहो, नमस्ते।